Grab some snacks, honey, and get cozy. This is going to be very interesting. KZN, polygamy. For those who don't know about this show, so there's a guy called Magaya, and he is married to Maxulu, and then there's the side chick. So the side chick and Magaya, they were dating for 12 years till date. So what I like about the story, it's a reality show and it's their life. So it's not fictional, it's not a story per se, but yeah. Mamkulu handled the whole matter very well. She is worthy to be called a mother. She is worthy to be called a wife. You know, she was introduced, a side chick was introduced to her, and she remained calm. And she accepted the situation for the fact that these people have been dating for 12 years and she hasn't noticed anything. So she could not fight the situation. And she did not even try to stop it, you know. And then fast forward, she remained calm in the storm. You know when they say that God will fight your battles, the battles is not for you to fight. I saw this with Mamkulu. Anyway, they threw a birthday party for Mamkulu, and then the side chick was like jealous. She developed a kind of jealousness in her. So I'd say a demon was there in her. And then she was like, no, what is the purpose of Magaya throwing a party for Mamkulu, where else he could take that whole money and go and lobola her? Hello, honey. They're doing this to acknowledge the first wife. Because now if the first wife is not happy with the whole situation, if she's not treated as a queen, then you would not be accepted. Then came now the breaking news. Towards the end of the season, the side chick broke the news to Magaya and said that she's been keeping a secret for 12 years. She told Magaya that she has a baby. Well, she's no longer a baby. It's a child now. She's grown up. She's 12 years old. So the time that she started dating Magaya, she had a newborn baby, and she left that newborn baby with her parents in the villages. So Magaya snapped. Magaya got the shock of his life. You know, how can you date someone for 12 years and not know such a thing? You know, that says a lot about your character. It means that you could do so many hidden things. You can go to any length. Like, how can you date someone and hide your own flesh and blood? All in the name of love. All in the name of desperation to get married. Because now Magaya was explaining that he felt pressurized from the side chick. The side chick was busy saying, lobola me, pay dowry for me. So it's like, okay, so the reason all these years you've been pressurizing me, it is because you know that you want to trap me. How can you keep such a thing from me? And now Magaya is somebody that made the side chick to quit her job. He was maintaining the side chick and also taking care of his household. So do you think that Magaya acted out of proportion when he dumped the side chick? But I understand his reasoning. Do you feel it's unfair to dump him after taking care of her for 12 years, perhaps there's a reason why the side chick did not reveal to my guy that I have a newborn baby. Perhaps they wouldn't even been dating. Perhaps that guy would be like, okay, fine, go back to your baby daddy. I don't need you to be my side chick. You know? Things like that. Because we need to look at situation on both sides. Perhaps the side chick fell in love with my guy, and but 12 years, such a secret. Anyway, that's it about Guy and Maxulu's secret. Yes, the side chick is Maxulu. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye.